only $19. It just came out, so it's like 73% off. The price will go up to $69 within a few days. I want to bring this to you guys because I think this WordPress theme is nice. It does need some work on the mobile, but I think is the work need to be on the mobile is actually through the page editor. So if you look at it on the mobile, it's kind of congested. But I think that the author will work on that, and they will adjust the page editor so the pages can look nice on the mobile phone. But even with that, it's only $19. Um, it's great for the price. So I think that you will like it. I checked it out and I like it, so I want to bring it to you guys. So I'm going to show you share my screen with you guys, and you guys can tell me what you think. So after I do the video, post it, um, check it out. Click the link in the description. View the demos. Check it out on your mobile phone. You know, if you decide to purchase it, great. Let me know. Let me know if you purchase it. Let me know what you think about it, and you know, I can share this information with the author. All right, you guys. Let me share my screen. All right, here we go. So this is the theme right here. It's a newspaper WordPress theme. Right now, as you see, the price is only $19, which is a great deal. Let's drill down. I'm going to just the page. You know, if you don't know, this is the page that once you click the link, it will take you right here, which is the promo page, the selling page, to give you some intro about it and tell you about it before you check out the demo to know what options come with it, what features come with it. Offer a great paid membership pro, as you see here. And everything come with it. It's all built in. All the plugins come with it. As you see, it comes with a page editor. It comes with a lot of cool features. For right now, it's only $19, and I think you guys, you will like it. I liked it, and here we go. So I'm going to show you also one great thing about it. Before you buy it and you want to think about like, hey, is this something I want to check out? You should always check out the online docs. So the online docs is where you go. You click this button, it takes you here, and it breaks it down for you to let you know how to install it, which is simple. It tells you how to install it. It you know, breaks it down for you how to get going, answer some questions for you. You choose your options, things like that. So it's not a hard process to get started. You go through the steps, you add your plugins. Here's the plugins right here you will install. It shows you here, you hit install, and then you just go through by choosing your content. You add your dummy content, and it's all set up. Everything else is asking questions and things like that. So it's not a hard process to get going and get started. So now here is the page here. Here are their demos. So create your newspaper or magazine website, and here we go. These are the options. Business reporter, you got culture, you got sports, you got technology, military. So I'm going to go through it for you guys. So here we go. Here's sports. So this is what the sports looks like. As you see here, if you click this button here, it will go to a subscribe option. So if you want to charge for your newspaper, you can charge. You log in right here for your customers to log in. You can do the news, the calendar, not the calendar, but the weather. You choose your state. Here are your all your contents. You get your menu options up here, podcasts, videos, things like that. And this is the first layout of the demo. This is the sport option. It's nice. I like it. It's nice, clean. Here's the videos. And another thing about this is that it's a plugin. It's actually these are blocks right here, so you can edit this as well. So if you do not like um, the setup here, you can change it to make it your own setup. It's all plugged in with your blog. So your blog postings, he's here, and based on your categories or your type is where you would choose your different options. So here is one layout, which is a sports layout. Now we'll go into the culture. So this is the culture layout right here. Here's your menu right here, your side menu. Here is the subscribe button. And it's more of like a clean, modern look, which is here, which is nice. Your sign up for your newsletters. Here you got writers, video, podcasts, have people subscribe. Right here, you choose your price or what you want to charge. It's nice. I'm gonna take you into one. So let's click on one, see what it looks like. All right, so here we go. So right here to the left, you see the profile of the author right here. And then there you go. You get the content right here. You can add your just so tickets inside here, images, and this is a gallery, you see. You can set up a quiz, X questions, download, you can add buttons, the whole nine. You got what to read next, as you see here. So, this is a nice layout. Let's go to the next one. This one is a business layout. As you see, authors here, image. It's nice. Get your weather. So a section right here, it shows you this is for subscribers. So let's click it and see if it actually show like a requirement that you need to log in, you need to subscribe. So here, as you see right here, this content is for subscribers only. So that means the person need to log in or they need to join. So if they got to join, it take you to the join page where they would sign up right here, make that payment, and then they get access to the membership only side. Here's another one. I think this is I think my favorite layout right here. It's white, it's clean. You got your sign up for subscribers, your newsletter, your images. There you go. So if you're looking for a alternative, so there is a WordPress news blog out theme that's really hot right now. Foxy's really hot, but if you miss the price on that, it's not $19 anymore. I believe it's like 59 or 69 or 79, something like that. It's no longer 19 when I first did a video when it was only $19, like this one. So if you don't want to spend $69 on that one, you can check out this one, which is have similar features, not as many as the Foxy have, but it have similar features on this one. And it's nice, and they offer the subscription model, things like that as well. So here is the last one, which is more like a military setup, as they say, but I like it. You got your news flash right here, so you can do updates on whatever's going on right here. It's a nice layout, and again, you can edit this. You can set up how you want it. I think that again, the authors just set it up the way they think that people want to see it. Here's your videos, but you can set up the way you want to set it up. Here's for subscribers only. As you see, they have some parts is for subscribers, and then some part is not for subscribers. So you can do the same thing. You can have the whole page for subscribers only, or you can half and half. Have some articles people can read for free, and then some they got to pay for. So there you go. Let's click on one. Subscribers, non-subscribers. Check this one out. See, here we go. This is a podcast layout right here. So you got podcasts. It'll play your podcast and all the contents under. You know, you got to be a subscriber for that, but you can still hit a podcast uh, without subscribing. But the content is under. It's behind the payment option. So it's nice. It offers some great features, video, podcasts. Um, you know, I liked it. I think that you will like it. That's why I want to bring it to you. Again, this is a news WordPress themes, only $19. I think you should check it out. Click the link in the description. See what you think. Tell me what you think. And so $19. So also like and subscribe to like the video, subscribe, and I will continue to bring you guys new WordPress themes that's coming out. You can save money on it if you need to upgrade your WordPress theme. This is a great one. It's only $19. So sometimes I think you know people get stuck and they say, oh, you know, my WordPress theme is okay. I had it for 3 or 4 years, but I think that you know you should upgrade, you should update. You know, a lot of these WordPress themes are becoming more advanced than it was 3 or 4 or 5 years ago. So I think if you have an older one 3 or 4 years ago, you should update. Choose a better one, come with better features and better security features as well. So there you go, you guys. Glad you guys was here. And until the next video. All right.